Welcome to this Lightspeed Restaurant Case Series demonstration video for Lightspeed's new kitchen display system. The kitchen display system, often abbreviated to KDS, ensures direct communication between the staff and the bar or kitchen. By digitalizing the communication and reducing the use of traditional printers and paper receipts, staff as well as the guests enjoy a streamlined service. In this video, we will highlight the KDS's new features and how this add-on can be activated directly from the Lightspeed back office. Disclaimer: the kitchen display system is currently available as a beta, which means that the system will grow rapidly in additional features over the next few weeks and that we're actively collecting feedback to ensure successful use and resolution of any found issues. In exchange for this feedback, the KDS can be used for free throughout the beta period. The KDS can be activated directly from the back office. After logging into the back office, the product switcher button can be used to switch to the back offices of specific add-ons, like KDS and Order Anywhere. In addition, this button grants access to trial periods for add-ons that may not yet be used by the business. We start a trial period for KDS by clicking on its link, completing the wizard that follows, and ultimately checking if the current back office settings are configured correctly. The wizard will allow us to indicate the number of KDS stations that will be used in the setup and whether additional hardware still needs to be purchased. Lightspeed gladly advises which hardware is required, and the hardware is also available through the Lightspeed store. To cover the system requirements, the KDS screens need to be touchscreens or tablets installed with an operating system that can run the Google Chrome or Safari browser, and they need to be connected to the network by an Ethernet cable. Interference on the Wi-Fi connection by other kitchen hardware is prevented by connecting the hardware via Ethernet. The wizard requires the user to indicate which iPad will function as the KDS hub. Generally, this is the main iPad, also referred to as the active iPad, as all other iPads sync their data to this specific iPad. It is thus important that this iPad is always turned on and connected to the Wi-Fi network, and that it has the Lightspeed app open and running. The video in the wizard shows how the connection is set up between the main iPad and the KDS screens. After activating the KDS add-on in the back office, the current accounting groups and production center settings need to be checked to ensure that the items are properly routed to the right KDS stations. Example, if there will be one station for the preparation of cold dishes, and one station for the preparation of warm dishes, and one chef station for a complete overview of all dishes, the back office needs to be configured with two production centers. Per accounting group, it can then be selected to which production centers the item should be routed. Now that the back office is fully checked and configured, the KDS stations can be configured as well. On each station, the browser is opened and the IP address is entered that is displayed on the KDS Hub iPad under Settings. After entering the connection code, each station can be configured by choosing the language, providing the name for the station, and selecting which production centers should be shown on screen. To further indicate how changing the settings affect the orders on the screen, we already put in some orders via the iPad. In the right top part of the screen, the settings can be changed. Here, the view of the orders can be altered, the background color can be changed, and the time and language settings can be reset. In addition, the entire station can be reconfigured by using the Reset button. There are several bars on screen that allow for filtering the depicted orders based on status and type, so that the station only shows the orders within that filter. Moreover, completed orders can be viewed when tapping the Completed button. The KDS station shows all orders one by one next to each other. Per order, you can decide whether you want to put the entire order to the next status by long pressing the top part of the order, or highlight per item on the order what its status is by tapping or long pressing as well. The top part of the order shows the more condensed or full view of the order's data, depending on the settings configured in the right part of the screen. The condensed view simplifies the data by showing icons. The order shows three rectangles that indicate the time, whereas the first rectangle already shows the time that the order was placed. The other rectangles help provide an overview of the time between each status. The middle rectangle shows the time at which the order was moved to the status in preparation. The right rectangle indicates the time at which the order moved to the status ready to collect, after which the staff or customer can pick up their order. When multiple courses are ordered on the same table, each course will show separately on the KDS station. With such orders, the bar on top of each ticket indicates at which course the table currently is. In the current example, the table is with the second course. As soon as a course is set to completed, the other consecutive tickets will indicate this by coloring the corresponding part of the bar with the color green. To highlight the differences between the colors and the statuses they indicate, gray is new, Brown is new and this course is still waiting to be fired. Blue, this course is currently being prepared. Green, this course is ready to be collected. Through the iPad, the staff fires the next course, after which the chef can move the ticket to the corresponding status and start the preparation. This concludes the short demonstration video about Lightspeed's new kitchen display system for Lightspeed Restaurant POS K-Series. We hope that this video provides a good understanding of its new features. Should you have any questions, please contact us. We're happy to help you answer any questions that you may have.